Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about attributes in Revenue Cloud and how they can mirror the functionality of twin fields within CPQ. And so if you're familiar with CPQ, twin fielding is where we could map fields and their data across the CPQ lifecycle on certain objects by making custom fields with the same API name and data type. And so there is no need to do that in Revenue Cloud. And there are different ways to go about it that give you much more flexibility. You no longer need to have the same API name. It's just a lot easier to do, a little bit more time consuming to set up, but a lot more flexibility with how you can set it up within Revenue Cloud. And so today I'm going to be talking about attributes. And so if you haven't checked out our video on how to set up attributes, or how to make attributes affect the price of your products, then please go check that out. They'll be linked in the description. But let's jump into Salesforce and show how attributes mirror the functionality of twin fielding by default. All right, so when we're quoting this product keyboard within Revenue Cloud, we have these attributes where we can say if it's wireless and we can say what color it is. And so once we have define that while configuring the quote line, it creates a quote line, and that quote line has quote line item attributes. This is where the information from those attributes are then stored. And so there is no need to then twin field all that information to the order product because it's going to do that automatically. And so I went ahead and I ordered this quote. And so if we look at the order product for this keyboard product that was created when we ordered it, it has order product attributes where this information by default, no custom setup by me other than making the attributes in the first place. They were able to flow through to the order product attributes. And then when I activated the order to create assets, it created an asset, and that asset has an asset state period with asset state period attributes. And so that information from setting it up on the product configurator flowed all the way through to the asset state period and with the correct values. And then whenever I make a renewal or an amendment, that information is then going to flow over there as well. And so there is no need in this scenario to have to set up a bunch of fields with the same API name, same data type. It's much easier in Revenue Cloud and much more dynamic. And so that's how you can replicate twin fielding within Revenue Cloud using attributes. There is another way to do this, especially if you have custom fields and you need to map information through those custom fields using context definitions. And so that will be a separate video. Make sure to check that out. But this covers most of your bases with needing to replicate what CPQ would do via twin fielding. Please let us know if you have any questions, and check out our other videos on Revenue Cloud and how to automate your business. Thanks.